Hi, my name's Kyle with DoMyOwn.com. Fall weeds don't wait, and neither should you. Let's discuss timing of fall pre-emergent herbicides and how to apply them the right time for your region. Many of the weeds you see in early spring, like poana, chickweed, and others, begin germinating in the fall. Applying a pre-emergent now blocks them before they break the surface, saving you time and money in the spring. So what's the right time? It depends on your soil temperature, not just the calendar. You want to apply when soil temperatures drop to around 70 degrees and falling. Use a soil thermometer to check your lawn or look up your local soil temperatures online. In many areas, that means late August to mid-September. In warmer states like Florida, Arizona, the window may extend into October or even early November. To extend your weed control, we recommend a split application. That means applying your pre-emergent in 2 rounds, about 5 to 8 weeks apart. This helps your lawn maintain that barrier longer, especially in regions with extended fall or mild winters. We've got a full step-by-step video on split applications linked in this video. Always choose a pre-emergent that's labeled for your grass type. If you're not sure what type of grass you have, we've got a guide at DoMyOwn.com. We recommend contacting your local extension office if you're unsure after reading our guide. For fall, we usually recommend products with pendimethalin, dithiopyr, or prodiamine in them. They're excellent against most winter weeds. Just remember, pre-emergents prevent weeds and they won't kill what's already there. Monitor those soil temps, apply with care, and you'll be ahead of the game. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more lawn care tips and check out our other videos in pest control and lawn care.